Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to move apps to your SD card on your Android phone, step by step, so you can free up internal storage and improve performance. But before that, here's what we will cover. Step number 1, open App Storage Settings. Step number 2, move app to SD card. Let us jump right in. Step number 1, open App Storage Settings. Open the Settings app. Tap Apps. Select the app you want to move. Step number 2, move app to SD card. Tap Storage. Tap Change or Move to SD card. Select SD card, then confirm. Then wait for it to finish. And that's it. Now you know how to move apps to your SD card and free up space. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. Some apps may not support being moved to an SD card, and steps may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. And that's it. That is how to move apps to SD card on Android. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.